Chittenden County State's Attorney Sarah George has announced she will eliminate cash bail requirements and is calling on the legislature to back her changes. Local 22's Devin Bates joins us live tonight from the newsroom with more on this big story. Devin?
Well, Lauren, George said in a statement today that her office will, quote, no longer be part of putting a price tag on freedom and criminalizing poverty. Now, some of the groups, including the ACLU of Vermont, have voiced support for the changes today, but Grand Isle County State's Attorney Doug DeSabato defended cash bail.
When I ask for bail on certain cases, it's because the record supports that. You know, the best predictor of future behavior is past behavior. And if people have a record of not showing up, we want to ensure that they're going to show up in the future.
Chittenden County State's Attorney Sarah George says all criminal charges filed in Chittenden County will now base pretrial definition on, quote, public safety, not wealth. Her office may seek detention in limited cases where someone is charged with a violent felony and they pose a safety risk, and it's a measure the ACLU of Vermont has long advocated for.
The primary purpose of cash bail is to ensure that people show up for trial. We know from the research that it's not necessary. People still show up without cash bail because there's enough threats from the criminal legal system.
Grand Isle County State's Attorney Douglas DeSabato mostly spoke to why he intends to continue requiring cash bail in his jurisdiction, but mentioned that he's also representing the people of Vermont.
My position is that bail is appropriate in certain circumstances and we shouldn't have just a blanket policy of no bail. I'm not second guessing what she's doing, but I want to make sure the lines are clear that Chittenden County has specific borders. And once you're outside of Chittenden County, that policy doesn't apply.
And on that subject, Sarah George and the ACLU of Vermont are pushing for this policy to be taken up by the legislature and instituted statewide.
We've seen during the course of the pandemic, when prosecutors were not asking for bail at the same levels, it has significant impact in reducing our prison population without impacting public safety. What State's Attorney George has done is show that it's possible to eliminate cash bail from our criminal legal system, and this is something we'd like to see other states' attorneys adopt and have the legislature adopt on a statewide basis.
Closely to strike bail in any cases where it's still in place, and also express hope that a statewide cash bail elimination would allow Vermont to cancel its contract with out-of-state prisons. Live in the newsroom tonight, Devin Bates, Local 22 News.